Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is from Snoop Dogg's cookbook and it's peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. In the first bowl I have some flour, baking soda, and salt that I'm going to mix together and set aside. And if you're following along at home making this recipe, check out the description box below. I have the full recipe. In the next bowl I have 2 sticks of softened butter, half cup of white sugar, half cup of brown sugar, and a half a cup of peanut butter. I'm not sure why I've never thought to put peanut butter in chocolate chip cookies, but it's really delicious. So once I get all of that in the mixing bowl, I am going to mix that and cream it together. And then I will add in some vanilla extract and 1 egg. And then again, mix that. And then you can start gradually adding in your dry ingredients. I normally add about a cup at a time. Then I'll mix it, I'll scrape down the sides, and then add another cup in until everything is well combined. Then you could add in 2 cups of chocolate chips, which is essentially the whole bag. So I normally just put on a high speed real quick just for a few seconds, turn it off, and then I consider that mixed in. Then you're going to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. I'm using a little cookie scooper for consistency's sake, and I bake those for about 8 to 10 minutes. There was a weird part in the recipe book where it told you to put 2 trays of cookies in at the same time, then like halfway through rotate them, like flip them, and then put them on the bottom and the one on the bottom at the top. I thought that was completely unnecessary. I've been making cookies for 30 years and I've never done that. So I left that part out, just baked them normal, and this is how they turned out. They were absolutely delicious. He's got a lot of really good recipes and you'll see some more during Cookmas if you subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.